What's up, everybody? We are here at Mugu State Park. We are at the Chumash parking lot / trailhead. Now we're about to begin the steep ascent to Mugu Peak.
It's about 1,200 feet in altitude, so here we go.
We ain't even been on this trail for no more than 5 minutes, and already the views are actually looking really nice. Pretty much along the Pacific Coast Highway. Up and away is where we go now. Decent amount of switchbacks, but nothing too bad. Feels like we're just heading up and away the whole time. If it sounds like I'm out of breath, because I am. Got the military base down there. It's kind of cool. Temporarily kind of flattened out. And I'm starting to see the clouds. I'm really hoping by the time we get to the top, we'll be above them, looking down. So I guess we'll see. It just keeps going up and up and up. Whew, in such a short amount of time. We are officially on the same height as the clouds. You can literally see them moving in. It's kind of cool. Whew. I've never done a trail where I had to take so many breaks in less than a mile into it. If you come here and do this, be prepared.
It's intense.
All right, now we came along after this little wire section. We got a little intersection. Let's start off that way. To the left out there, really beautiful. Some grassy meadows, kind of just nice view inside this canyon. And then to the right, super steep incline. Last spot, let's do it. Definitely steepest part of the trail. Everyone's taking their time, which is good. The clouds, however, epic. How they're just stopping on the mountains right here.
Rolling over, actually.
Rolling over. Whatever they're doing, it looks beautiful.
Yeah, look.
A lot windier up here. Definitely the steepest section for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Clouds coming here quick now. This just looks insane. Wow. And within the mist, that American flag right over there lets us know we can officially see the top. Woo, almost there. Woo. Made it to the top. Now we're kind of just chilling in hopes that this fog will clear up so we can see the view of the ocean from here. But it doesn't know will, but let's see. Fog kind of coming and going. We can barely see the ocean a little bit, but boy, is it windy. We are trying really hard to just wait out this fog for a second in hopes that we can see the whole ocean's supposed to be right here, but it is super foggy. So we're gonna see if we could stay a little longer. Hopefully we'll get like a nice little open window to get a view of the water. This is just actually kind of cool to look at in general too, though. Fog is starting to clear up now. Beautiful mountain views. Looks like we kind of get open windows. Wow. Ocean's starting to peek out now too. I'm glad we waited this up. Layers of mountains. Wow. Coming back in for more. We stayed on the top for about an hour in hopes that the fog will completely disappear, but it's about as clear as it's gonna get. I would definitely come back to this trail though for sure. So now we're just gonna start descending, see if we could get any more last remaining shots. And the descent down should be a lot easier than coming on up. Woo. Saying goodbye to all the beautiful canyon views. Now we're gonna hike the rest of the loop trail back down. The way back down, a million times easier than the way up. Bobby. Psst, Bobby.
Damn.
View from the top, where we were just at. Still super windy, but it looks like the fog is almost done, but we got other places we gotta be. So I'm gonna say goodbye to this beautiful ocean view. Woo! I would definitely come back to this when it's not so foggy. Or windy! Yeah, if you come do this hike, I would definitely go the direction that we went, because the trail down, way more smoother, way more nicer than the trail we took upwards from the other side. Please don't tag on nature or we'll kick your butt, right? That's right.
Someone was hungry.
It's so blue in that one specific little spot. So interesting. Going slightly off trail to this little side point. Still foggy, but who knows, you might get to see the view. Side point of interest. Our intersection when we started is over there, so we're almost done. Can't really see the top too well, but she up there. It's a really short trail, just super steep on the part going around. Back down we go. All right, we back at the intersection. Time to head back down. Woo. Definitely make sure you got some good grip on your shoes so you're not slipping on the steepness down. All right, we did it. Mugu Point, Peak Point. We did it. Woo. What'd you think?
Oh, difficulty level? Scaling up, definitely hard. If you choose the straight elevation, be prepared, pack light.
That was an intense workout. I am tired, but we did it. Let us know if you do this hike. Anyways, we hope you have a beautiful day. Enjoy, peace and love. God bless. We'll see you on the next video.
Later, y'all.